In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Composer to generate and apply multi-file code changes. Composer is a powerful in-editor assistant that can draft or update code across several files at once, saving you time and reducing copy-paste errors. Let's walk through how to use it clearly and efficiently, from opening the interface to approving the final changes. Start by opening the Composer interface. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+I. On a Mac, press Command+I. You'll see the Composer panel appear, usually at the bottom of your editor. If the shortcut doesn't respond, make sure your editor isn't overriding it with a custom key binding, or open your command palette and search for Composer to launch it manually. Once the panel is open, you're ready to describe what you want. In the prompt box, write a concise description of the feature or change you need, and mention every file that should be touched. For example, you could say, add a user profile section with avatar, name, and bio to the userpage.js and profilecard.js files. The clearer your intent, the better the result. It helps to state any constraints like styling preferences, data sources, or naming conventions, and to clarify whether you're adding new components or modifying existing ones. Think of this as giving a teammate precise instructions. For best results, add context. Use the @ symbol to include specific files, folders, relevant web pages, or even your entire code base. This gives Composer the surroundings it needs to match your project's patterns and avoid guesswork. Pull in the files you referenced in your prompt and any utilities, types, or styles those files rely on. While this step is optional, it dramatically improves accuracy and reduces follow-up fixes. Now, generate the changes. Composer will use your prompt and the included context to propose updates across multiple files simultaneously. You can keep an eye on the status while it works, and if you notice something you forgot to mention, you can stop, refine your prompt or context, and run it again. When the changes are ready, review them in the diff view. You'll see exactly what's being added and removed line by line. Check logic, imports, types, and signs, and styling, and make sure file boundaries make sense. If everything looks good, click Approve to apply the updates to your workspace. If not, tweak your prompt to be more specific and regenerate until the diff matches your intent. And that's the workflow. Open Composer, write a clear prompt, add context, generate, and review before approving. With a bit of practice, you'll ship multi-file changes faster and with greater confidence.